Yo, what up, what up? Oh, hold on. I didn't like the way my fucking shit looked in the Yo, what up, what up? It's your man, Big Brandon Carter, and
Bella, what's good?
All right, we're gonna do something a little different today. I'm gonna show you guys how to live a dope-ass life. A dope-ass what? Life. Now pay very fucking close attention to this shit, man, because it's gonna be very informative and exactly what you need to know to really like live the life of your dreams, man. Whether it's you got fitness goals, you wanna make some money, you wanna start your business, whatever it is, all right, this is how you do it. We're gonna talk about your actions. What you do, your actions, your results in life are the sum of your actions. So I got this graph together. On this side, graph, this is things that feel good now. And this is shit that sucks now. Like, you hate it. Why the fuck am I doing this? It's awful. Here's things that improve your life. And these things do what to your life, Bella?
It messes up
It fucks your life up. All right, it fucks your life up. She's a motherfucking lady. All right, so she's not gonna be cursing and shit. What are some things, Bella, that feel good now, but fuck your life up?
It could be like watching too much TV.
Watching too much TV, man. Netflix. Yeah, it feels great, it's fun, it's entertaining, but like, is it getting you anywhere? Is it getting your life anywhere? So the things we're gonna put here are things that feel good now, but are bad for you in the future. Time wasting stuff, or it could be stuff like junk food. Like junk food, you eating a bunch of trash. It might be delicious now. What's some junk food you like that's delicious, that tastes good?
I do like burgers.
You like burgers?
Yeah.
What that stuff, man, we used to eat all the time. If you seen Half Baked, you know what I'm talking about. All right, cool. So listen, sleeping in, yeah, it feels good to just sleep in your warm bed, but that time that you could have been being productive, right? It fucks your life up, like wasting that time, right? Maybe it's drugs. From what?
Drugs, kids.
Don't do drugs. From what I hear, cocaine is like awesome. Like I like people seem to really enjoy it. They go to great lengths to get it and spend a lot of money on it. It must be fun. However, having a monkey on your back and being a goddamn cokehead probably fucks your life up. Cigarettes, like I used to smoke cigarettes, man, since I was like 13. Yeah, smoking, and I know it feels good. In fact, it feels incredible. Every time I see somebody smoke a cigarette, I get a little jealous. For me, right, smoking weed, like it feels great, it's fun, but it makes me way less productive. Feel dumber, if you can imagine that. Listen, potheads, be cool. Potheads are supposed to be chill, but every time I say I don't like to smoke weed, they all start to spaz. Listen, if you want to smoke weed, do it. If it makes you better, do it. Whatever. I'm just talking about me. Here's the thing: most things that feel good now are bad for you in the future, and most of the things that suck now are good for you in the future. For example, like when I'm smoking weed, man, yeah, it feels great, man. It's fucking my life up, but that's a problem for future Brandon. Present Brandon, it's gonna get high. All right, so what are some things that improve your life, but they suck now? They suck, it's awful, you hate it. For me, it's working out. I don't like working out. People get mad at me when I say that. I love working out. You don't work out like me, all right? Probably not even close, that's why you like it. Matter of fact, Muhammad Ali said that. And he was like, yo, Muhammad Ali was like, I hated every minute of training, but I decided to suffer now and live the rest of my life like a champion. So if you like working out, you probably don't work out as hard as me or Muhammad Ali. All right, now, so anyway, but that's me, working out, waking up early. If you follow me on Instagram, King Keto, 1, congratulations. And 2, you'll see that I post like when I wake up at like between 3 and 4:30 every day. Yeah, man, take your time, man. We ain't doing nothing.
Is it rolling?
Yeah, man, get the fuck out of here. Waking up early, like I don't enjoy it, but it like improves my life. Cause I can get a lot more done. I can accomplish more things, but I don't like it. I just do it anyway. You know what I'm saying? And I also had to go to sleep early because of that. I had to go to sleep early so I get enough sleep. What are some other things, Bella, that improve your life, that suck now? You hate doing it, but it improves your life.
Never have enjoyed tracking my calories.
Tracking your calories.
Yeah.
I don't like it either, man. Today I was weighing my breakfast. I was weighing it with a scale, and I started eating like the food was cold by the time I got to it. You know, like, all right, so tracking calories, studying, like reading and all that stuff. I don't really enjoy it that much, but I'm not doing it for that. I'm doing it, you know, to get the results, to improve my life. Hey, what are some things that actually suck now, but fuck up your life? Well, some of it was maybe like a bad job, a job you hate. This is all gonna make sense in a minute, right? You can make your own list. You can do this thing and make your own list. I'm just rambling. Getting shot. Getting shot. That sucks now, and it like makes your life is probably gonna be worse as a result. Going to jail. Speak from experience. Going to jail is not good, nor is having a criminal record. Having bad friends. Yeah. You're around a bunch of fucking losers and dorks. You know what I'm saying? That's not gonna be cool. These things suck now. I don't know why you're doing them. Matter of fact, I do know why you're doing these things. I'm gonna tell you in a minute why you ended up in this situation if this is where you're here. All right, so what are some things that feel great now but improve your life? Think about it. Kind of hard. It's kind of hard to think about. Put a question mark here because we're gonna get back to this. This is the key. I'm gonna show you this in a minute. All right, so the stuff you do here, right? You do these things. You do them because you want instant gratification. Like, yeah, instant gratification. I mean, you just want to feel good now. Fuck what the future talking about. Fuck tomorrow. YOLO. The problem is that the pursuit of instant gratification makes you end up here, right? These are bad decisions. Bad decisions, right? All right. And you didn't just end up in a bad job for no reason. You probably fucked around in school, you weren't qualified to do anything else, or you didn't learn anything, or you just fucking bullshitted your life away. Now you weren't qualified to do anything people would pay you for, right? Maybe. Or getting shot, you know, you probably thought, oh yeah, robbing these people, give me some money real quick, and oh shit, man, I ain't know it was Big Brandon Carter, he fucking shot me, damn. Or like whatever, you end up in jail, bad friends. And it's like, you attract people like this. So like if you're a Netflix watching, junk food eating, sleeping in, drug addict, friends are probably like that. Your friends aren't probably tycoons and shit, right? So it's like, you end up here and that's how you end up with the bad friends and shit. Like this shit leads to this shit. What felt good at first, it ended up fucking your life up. Now it's fucking up your future. And then by the time your future becomes the present, now your present sucks and the outlook is actually bleak. Unless, of course, you start doing this shit. Now this takes what? Discipline. Not about motivation. Motivation actually fits into the instant gratification side of things. It's discipline, like doing what you're supposed to do, when you're supposed to do it, whether you feel like it or not. Every morning my alarm goes off and I curse, throw shit, you know what I'm saying? And I'm like, fuck! Why can't it be easier? And then I drink some Rebellion pre-workout and I'm on my way. When you have to track your calories, you dislike it, right? How does it feel?
Yeah.
But if you do it, you end up looking like this. Ow, ow, hey. Thing is though, when you do it for a long time, what happens? It becomes habits. Here's the thing, it becomes easy at that point. Once you've done it for about between 21 and 30 days, you actually build the habits, right? And what happens is, you go over here, and now it starts to feel good. Like you people who starts to feel good. All right. So you people, you like working out.
Yeah.
Did you like it when you first started doing it?
No.
Nah, almost nobody does. You're sore, it's awful, right? But then you built the habit of doing it, and now you like it. You know what I'm saying? Some people end up like studying or reading. They enjoy it. Oh my God, I just want to read and study. But I don't like it. I do it anyway, right? Because I'm not a geek. Right? But I still do it. That's the thing. So it's still discipline for me, right? Okay, now check this out. Instant gratification leads you here, right? Because you built these bad habits and it leads to bad decisions and your life is just fucked up, right? So if you're here, it's okay. You just need the discipline. And the discipline will lead you here where it becomes easier. And then your life will become better as a result. But the problem is it takes between 21 and 30 days to build a new habit. That's why I put together something to help you. I put together something called the 30-Day Relentless Discipline Challenge. This is a program that we're going to be launching later this month. You got to join now. The link is in the description. Well, basically, we're going to walk you through how to build these habits, how to start with discipline and then build the habits so it becomes easy and your life becomes better as a result. And then it doesn't matter what you want to do. Whether you want a body, you want to make more money, start that business, you want to get that girl, get that guy, whatever. I don't care. It's not the 90s. You want to get a guy? Get a guy, get two guys, I don't care. Whatever it is you want though, we're gonna help you get it. Things that are gonna make your life better. And if you wanna know more about that, click the link in the description right now. Check it out, there's more information about it, tons of free bonuses. I have a book that I'm putting with it that I wrote, an ebook called Relentless Discipline. We're also gonna have a Facebook group and in there, we'll keep you accountable. The way we're gonna keep you accountable is we're gonna give you this worksheet. Every day you're gonna write when you go to sleep, when you wake up, how many hours you sleep each day, did you work out, did you track your calories, and there's a bunch of other criteria that we believe will build the habits that will make you successful. And we're gonna be looking at everyone's sheet every day, helping you keep it accountable, right? So it's a 30-day challenge. It's almost like a group mentorship program. We're all gonna be there helping each other build these habits. And I promise you, everyone who goes through this program with us, this virtual mentorship program, everyone's life is gonna be better result. I really believe this is something that's gonna change things for people. This is what you've been missing. There's enough videos on YouTube to show you how to do whatever you want. You know, if knowledge alone was enough, then librarians would be the richest people in the world. You know, it's not knowledge alone. You need this part. This is where you miss it. This is the only reason why you don't have what you want, right? Because you're not disciplined enough yet. Everything else is taken care of. There's enough knowledge, enough free stuff. This is why you don't have what you want. Click the link below. We'll help you build this. And I'm excited about it too, because I can even use more. Like, I'm pretty fucking disciplined. And I can use even more, right? Because the more discipline you have, the more success you have. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just excited about it, and I'm excited to do this with you. Hope you'll join us. Link in the description, all right? Peace.